Easy. Ooh. Spotted bass. Woo. Oh, God, nice smallie. Don't come on. Oh, there's a log here. Oh. Don't come on. Don't come on. With my better hand. Caught my first tagged fish. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Streamer Fishing Outdoors. I'm going to do the real intro in a few minutes, but I don't know if you can see it. Cindy's way down there watching the boat. Me and Mowgli are driving down. Me and Mowgli are driving down to the ramp, so I'm going to walk back up the trail. I'm going to put in and float back to the truck since we're going to have one vehicle. It's going to take me about 45-minute walk to do that. 10-15-minute drive, so let's get busy and I'll explain what we're going after, what we're going to use when we're on the trail. Get some water. Got little minnows. I don't know if y'all can see them. There's a bunch of little minnows in the water. All right, guys, we're here at the ramp where we're gonna take out. The river looks awesome. Hopefully we can catch some smallies, largemouth. There's a few spotted bass in here. We got about a 3.5 mile walk upstream. My wife's waiting with the boat. Then we're gonna float back down to here. It's a little windy. Hope it dies down, but we'll be okay. Mostly fishing for smallmouth bass. I'm gonna throw a Strike King chartreuse spinnerbait trailer hook. Always have a trailer hook. Mowgli's pulling me around. Gonna throw a whopper popper some. Gonna throw some big 3-inch tube jigs. I'll switch if nothing hits them. But anyway, hopefully we're gonna catch a few fish today. We'll see in a minute. Oops. Oh, that's hot. Look, I see mommy. Look, I see mommy. big gun. Mowgli breaking out the big gun. Oh, jeepers. Got one. Nice smallie. Oh, God, nice smallie. Don't come off. Oh, there's a log here. Oh, don't come off. Nice smallie. Oh. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Woo! Guys, that's what we're talking about right there. That's a nice smallie. Woo! Guys, whopper plopper. Oh, that's fell in. Here, let me, alright guys, whopper plopper bass, Dan River. See if we can get a good underwater release on him. Oh shoot, it's not sunny right here. He's gone. Woo! He gone, Mowgli. Alright, see if we can get another one. Stay in the boat, Mowgli. Stay. Easy. Ooh! Spotted bass. Woo!
Yay!
Is the camera blinking?
Red?
Yeah. Hold it up. That's a spotted bass, honey. Hold them right here. Cool. Alright, she's gonna release them. Don't fall in. Alright, she caught that on a Strike King Mini Buzz or Pond Magic. Same thing. Got one. Cindy. Oh yeah. Alright guys, there's another little Alabama spotted bass. Cut on that rattle trap bait. I don't even know what that is. I think I found that. Not a bad little bass. Alright guys, we're gonna let him go so we can get back to the boat ramp before dark. No, now cast back in front of these rocks, upstream of them. Like cast straight across, straight across. Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yo, yeah, did you get it?
Huh?
All right, I gotta steer the rapids. You got to lift them in here. Okay, let me see. Okay, smallmouth. Whoa! We're in rapids. Okay, hold on. Yeah. You want to hold them? You don't want to hold them? Okay. She got that smallmouth right there on a Strike King mini buzz. Maybe look, it's a fish. A good deal. All right, we're gonna let him go. He's good. All right, good job.